Hello everyone, how to edit legend name in Excel chart. So let's start. First open your Excel and you can see I have student data. So I select here entire data and go to the insert tab in charts group. Here I select the pie chart. Select the first one 2D pie and here you can see your pie chart here, insert it. With the bottom side the legend entry with the chart design tab and format tab also here add it. To edit the legend entry, just click on it and you can see the selection of the legend. Now just click on the one name, so double click on this one name and you can see the selection of the one name with the student ID. And if you want to delete, press the delete key of the keyboard, it's deleted. And to edit it, just click on again. And after selection of this legend entry, go to the your data and here I'm going to edit Rohan Mehta name. You can see in this legend entry the Rohan Mehta name here showing. So I just click on the Rohan Mehta and remove here Mehta. Okay, and press the enter and now you can see in legend entry the Mehta word is removed. Okay, last name is removed. Now to format this legend, when you click on it, right hand side you can see the format legend is open. If you are not showing, then right click on the mouse and click on the format legend. And here in format legend option and text option tab here showing. So here you can see in legend option, the first one is fill color. So you can fill color here. So I select here the gradient fill. I see the changes over here. I scroll down and you can select here the different gradient colors and see the changes over here. You can set here the gradient stop and you can select the different direction and you can select the color, different color and see the changes over here. Okay, and you can add the border also. Just click on the border and I just click on the first the fill option. Then I click on the border and here border I click on the solid line and I click on this drop down arrow and I select the dark red. In dark red, I select the dash type and select here the dash tab line. And I just click on this area. And you can see the border of this legend, the dash tab line here showing. I just click on this first legend and now I click increase the thickness of this border and see the changes over here. Now you can see the dash tab line border here showing on the legend entry. Now I click on the legend entry and click on here the second option effects and you can give the different effects also. You can see the different effects showing. So I'll click on the shadow and select this one and see the changes over here. In text option also, here the some solid lines, so different text outline you can select, see the changes over here. Okay, gradient line, see the changes. I select the solid line. Okay, so this is the way you can use the text outline option. In text field, you can select the different color in text field. See this changes, your slightly changes showing in the text field color. So this is the way you can edit the legend name in Excel chart. So that's it. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.